we're going to do like a different motion. So instead of all the jumps and spinnings that we've done where they've been in range, whether you're jabbing from here, then turning, then doing either the side kick or the back kick, whichever way you prefer it. You know, we've had the all this type motions from here. What we're going to do is we're going to set it up like a step. Like if you step and do a front kick, or if you step and do a round kick. You're going to do exactly the same from here with either the side kick or the back kick. What you're going to do from here is you're going to move this foot so it goes sideways on to the opponent. So from there you move it from your 25 past 10 and you put your front foot now to 12 o'clock but sideways on. This foot from here now goes so it makes an L, so it's turned, so it's beside the foot. Okay, so that's your step up to get the range. Now you lift, whoosh, and you execute the kick. You don't want to do this, you don't want to step forward because now you're going to get hit. It's when this leg comes to here that this will give you the range to hit that target. Okay, so you don't want to be moving here. So from there, move the foot, it's just across to position it. Bring the leg up behind, so it's kind of like, once again, both heels are facing forward. This is just, it doesn't have to be right here. I just find it more comfortable. It can be right there. So your feet make an L. This chambers, whoosh, and then you hit with the kick. So from there, 1, whoosh, 2. So I've like used like Ian, if he's kind of like there. So obviously this is off the shit leg, so you just be normal kickboxing style. So me, I'm there, I'll shift it. Now, see, I'll get that range. What I don't want to do from here though is from there, is go like this. See how you can hit me now? Before I've got it. So from there, I'll be here, move it. You're still not, you're like, oh, what's he gonna do? Because not coming forward. But when I sneak this foot up, bang, that's gonna be how I get that kick. Does that make sense? So you can work with a back kick or a side. Because from there you can bring this up, see, and then turn the kick that way. Instead, I would just prefer it to be side. So here, 1, that foot stays where it is. 1, this, turns the hips, comes up behind so it makes it L. This chambers and kicks. Okay, give it a go. Let's go.